Saturday, June 17th, 2017. Monaco 64, home of alternative economics and contrarian views. So I like to talk about caching your cryptocurrencies, and I'm not talking about, the market and timing prices, mainly because actually I've been earning in cryptocurrency through steemit.com, and I still have quite a bit of steam, and but sometimes I convert steam into Bitcoin. And I made a video a couple weeks ago. I went to London to a Satoshi point or a Bitcoin ATM. The experience was okay, but it's a bit of a hassle to have to go to London from where I live. I live in London, but outside London. So I made the video about it. I did call them again, and actually it was a 5% charge, not 10%. It had something to do with the price that their exchange uses, and it looked like I paid a lot, but I actually only paid 5%. But one of my viewers or subscribers, and that's the interesting thing about making videos. I learn a lot from the viewers, subscribers when they comment. It's a two-way street. And he said to me, oh, you should get a Wirex card. It's like a debit card or credit card that you can preload with, pounds. I preloaded with pounds, but you can also send Bitcoin to Wirex. There's an app as well. So it's it's WYREX app.com, wirexapp.com. You can do the operation online. You can do it on your phone, your mobile phone or cellular phone. There's an app for it as well. And it took about a week to get the credit card, and I'll cover it here. But it's basically a Visa credit card, and it says international prepaid. So yeah, there it is. And you also have to pay, I think it was about 14 pounds I had to pay, or 13 pounds. And I paid with Bitcoin to Wirex to get the card. And then once I got the card, I sent some Bitcoin to Wirex. And when the Bitcoin arrived, I changed some of it into pounds. So I've already, and I got a PIN number for the card. I can take cash out, or I can, go out and put the card in the machine and put my PIN number. And yesterday we went out for dinner for my daughter's 21st birthday, and I paid for it with my Steemit earnings on the debit card. Today, after I played golf this morning, it was really hot here in London. It was almost 30 degrees Celsius, which might not sound very hot for some countries, but for here it is. It was a nice day for golf, and after that I went to do some shopping, food shopping at Audi, and I used my Wirex card as well and paid for the food shopping. So that was really interesting. There are a few limits, but you can verify your card, or your account. What that means is that you have to scan a couple of IDs, proof of address, if you don't mind doing that, and then you have to wait up to 2 weeks, and you can spend quite a bit on the card and also on an ATM, normal ATM. You can take the cash out. Right now, I think there's a limit of 160 pounds from the for cash from the ATM, and 800 pounds on your card daily. But if you verify the account, you can take a lot more out. So I thought that was really interesting, and I thanks for the viewer. He knows who he is. Thanks for giving me advice about getting the Wirex card. And you need to check, where you live, whether you can do it, but I think they do it internationally. So I see that you can do it in euros, in dollars, and I see it here at the bottom as well on the website. It says buy Bitcoins in China, Germany, Malaysia, Poland, Spain, UK, send money to Philippines, Portugal. So I think you can use this worldwide. You just have to check, you know, wherever you are if you can. So that's really interesting, you know, that I can now easily spend if I need some of my cryptocurrency earnings. What else is going on? Yeah, the markets yesterday, you know, gold and silver were kind of capped, I would say. But gold did close the week above 1250, 1254, 55. So gold did quite well there to hold the 1250 level. In terms of headlines this morning, there isn't really that much out there. You know, on Zero Hedge, there's a story saying Trump reports income of 597 million, net worth of at least 1.1 million. You know, I don't see how that's, you know, important. But what else? Just interesting about the cryptocurrencies. Now, you know, this Wirex card, I thought it was really good. It's a really good card, very practical. And, it, you know, I was a bit, I was not worried, but I was a bit concerned that at the restaurant yesterday, when I put the card in the machine and put the pin, that it wouldn't work, but it worked perfectly, really, really smoothly. So this morning, see that, well, afternoon actually on Saturday, Bitcoin is up 3.5% at 25.62. So I think we got down to 2,200 a few days ago. Ethereum, 358, up 1.21%. So it looks like, well, LITECOIN is doing really well, actually. It's up 24% at $42.50. Let me see if there's a story, anything, you know, any kind of news out of why LITECOIN is doing so well. Let's have a look. Because I think it was kind of stuck between 25 and 30, and it's broken out now. It's at $42. No, I can't see anything, but yeah, LITECOIN doing well. Let's see, Steam. Yeah, Steam back up above $2, $2.10, up 1.1%. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, I recommend if people want to spend some of their cryptocurrencies to get the Wirex Visa prepaid card. It doesn't say Wirex on the credit card. When I got it, I thought, what's this card? But then I called the company who issued the card, and they're in Gibraltar. And they were very nice, very good service. And they said, oh yeah, that's your Wirex card. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, share it far and wide, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. By subscribing, you know, you get updates when I do my videos. And also, if you'd like to watch me on steemit.com, I always post my videos there as well. That's STEEMIT.com. And I recommend, you know, people use Steemit as well. You can earn cryptocurrencies on Steemit. You just gotta persevere. Post stuff there, do videos or write. So I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.